Hi, I'm Mitch, and you're watching Flow Drill Fundamentals. In today's segment, we will be discussing how to properly clean a flow drill bit and why it is important. Like any tool, the cleaner you keep a flow drill bit, the better it will perform and the longer it will last. First, let's take a look at some typical build-up examples. During normal usage, particles of the parent material will begin to adhere to the four lobes or peaks of the bit. Without proper cleaning, over time, this buildup becomes increasingly apparent. Once a layer of buildup has developed, it can cause various unwanted issues. It can create a very rough finish to the ID of the bushing. It can actually adhere to the ID of the bushing wall and pull sections of the carbide off of the bit, leaving small voids or divots. Or it can actually rob heat from the process. The bit has to heat up the buildup material, which is acting like a barrier or a blanket prior to heating the part itself. With insufficient heat produced, we risk the possibility of premature breakages. If possible, we recommend implementing a PM or preventive maintenance program. What this does is it sets a regular cleaning schedule based on your production volume. It can be completed at the beginning of each shift, once per day, once per week, etc., all dependent on how many parts you produce. This type of program keeps the bit free and clean from any buildup issues and ensures optimal bit life. There are several cleaning methods that are available to remove buildup conditions. Emery cloth or a Scotch-Brite pad ran against the profile of the bit at a low RPM can be used by those who have set up a PM program, since material buildup will be at a minimum. This will remove all dried lubricant and small particles of the parent material that have built up on the bit itself. Second alternative would be a stiff wire brush. It can be utilized for larger amounts of buildup. Hold the wire brush against the bit at low RPM. Thirdly, we can remove the tool holder and bit from the spindle of your machine and clean off all buildup using a bench grinder with a wire wheel. This works well for more severe conditions. After cleaning, and prior to completing the next series of flow drill holes, it is an excellent time to complete a quick visual inspection of the bit. What you're looking for are any types of hairline cracks, voids, chips, etc. If you do find an imperfection, it's best practice to replace the bit at that time. If all is good, continue on to the next scheduled cleaning. With a little preventive maintenance and proper cleaning, your flow drill bits will be well on their way to achieving maximum life. Join me next time for more Flow Drill Fundamentals. I'm Mitch. Thanks for watching.